Hello, friends. The state of Kerala is located in the southwestern part of India. This state, in addition to humans, is inhabited by a large number of elephants. The people of a small village have lived side by side with these giant animals for years. For such a long period of time, elephants have become real neighbors for people. The animals were not afraid of the locals and often came very close to their homes. One day, a man from this village was walking through a place where elephants were most often seen. He heard a noise and decided to get closer to the source of the sound. In a deep ditch were a mother elephant and two little elephants who accidentally fell into the pit. A caring man went to the village for help. It was decided to call an excavator to the scene to rescue the baby animals from the trap.